OK, time for a bit of fun. Let me reintroduce you to someone. Remember him? Freaky Frog, the cartoon character we created in the last Art Attack by experimenting with lots of different facial features like eyes, noses, mouths and even bodies, and all done by mixing and matching using tracing paper. See that? There he is, the original character. So, OK, you've got your own character, but, you know, you can easily create a whole gang of different characters just by using the same features but changing them a bit. Now, this is where this stuff comes in, tracing paper. So place it over your original character, and if we want to create a girl version of him, then just trace the features. But if you're going to do a girl, make the features just slightly smaller this time. So use the original, but just make them slightly more delicate, like that. And here's a trick a lot of animators use. If you're going to do a girl character, give her great big floppy eyelashes. You look at cartoons, next time you see a girl character, I'll bet you she's got big eyelashes. And you could even give her some lipstick or big juicy lips like that. And look at this, there he is, and now there she is. And all from the same character, just using tracing paper. So, OK, to create a younger character, again, use your original as a starting point, and this time I'm just going to do the eyes the same. So I'm just tracing the features again. And this is great fun to do this, because you can just keep experimenting with lots of different features. This time, make the features slightly more rounded. If you want them younger, just rounded features around the jowls there, like this. And put in some cheeky freckles. And to make him even more cheeky, has about a baseball cap just in the background like that. Give him a bit of mischief. And there he is, this time a lot younger. There's the original, there's the young one. Now, to create, let's say, a big dopey one, how's about some dreamy, droopy eyes? And that's easy. Just do the eyes as normal, but bring the eyelids down over the pupils. And now they look very dozy and droopy. And put the rest of the features in. But this time, to make them look even more dopey, I'm going to give them a big bottom lip. See that big droopy bottom lip? Looks mad, doesn't it? Well, that's all right, because it is a cartoon. And I'm going to give him a big toady body around the back, just to add to the effect. I'm putting his back legs with some webbed feet. And the reason I'm doing the body on this is that sort of big squodgy body all adds to the dopey effect. And there you've got your original, and now you've got a big dopey one. And you know, you can do as many of them as you like, colour them in, but make them all slightly different from each other with different personalities. There's the girl, you could even give them different names. There's the young one with his freckles, the big dopey one. I've even added in a dirty, smelly one. We could call him Stinker. And they were all done from the original Freaky Frog that we created last time. Brilliant. Try it yourself. Great fun to do. Bit of tracing paper and create your own cartoon characters.
Oh, brilliant! Creating a groovy gang of crazy cartoon characters. Hey, I tried to do a gang for myself just now. But I haven't got any friends. Oh.